Good morning everyone, Woofy's out and about. I'm in my old estate where there used to be some houses. It's been demolished. Where I was over that way and I found that halfpenny where that idiot left all those holes. I dare say he's been back again and made some more holes, but you know, I'm going to get out there and got about an hour, so I'll see what I can do. I'll go to work. I found a signal here, not a bad little indication. So it's got a 78, 77, 80, so hopefully it's something good. So far I've had rubbish, so sure. Anyway, it's there somewhere. Must be a tiny bit of metal. There it is. Tiny piece of metal. I'll double check that. No, there's something deeper. I'll keep digging and I'll show you the end result. Alright, there you have it. That's my first buckle. Not a bad looking buckle. I'll put that in my collection. That'll polish up nicely, I reckon. Alright. I think it's time to move on. See if I can find more rubbish. Alright, I've got another signal here. Very close to the surface. Lift it up, it's got a good signal, 81, 82, so that's a real good copper brass. And I've got another one over here as well, so I'll dig this one out first. Right there. Alright. Right, there you have it. An aluminium fire extinguisher tag. So that's why she's giving a good signal. I'll fill up this hole and I'll move on to the next one. Alrighty, so I got another one here again. $65, $70. $68, $70, so not a bad number. Still, could be anything. Alright, I'll dig that up. Okay, so I dug down. It ended up being a big lump of pipe, but I also found a nail as well. Real old rusty square one. So I'm going to fill this hole up and move on to the next one. Alright, looks like our friend's been back. There's fucking holes everywhere again. Not filled up. Same guy. Leaving rubbish everywhere. Same hole, found rubbish over there, but not very diligent. Got a signal here. Looking like rubbish. Two signals. One there. One here. I'll dig them up and see what they are, but I'm not going to get carried away and leave holes everywhere. So as I walk over, I'm going to fill that hole up there and that one over there, and then I'm going to head off. So I'll see what these two targets are. And there you have it. Target number 1, big aluminium nail. So I'll fill this up and move over to target number 2. There you have it. My first decent find for the day, and it's probably only a 1-cent piece. Whoop. Yep, it's a 1-cent piece. Oh, can't complain, it's copper. Inexperience against experience. Alright, so I think I'm going to wrap this up for the day. It was only a short one. But hope I'll see you next time. Ciao.